If your team's making content together, this Tella feature made it 10 times easier. Tella just added collaborative editing, and it's the cheapest way to collaborate on video. You can now add someone directly to your video so they can record, edit, and review with you all in one place. Here's how it works. Pick the video you want to collaborate on, click the edit button on the top right corner, hit the plus button to add collaborators. So you can invite an editor, you can add other team members to edit this video. So you can select members or invite by email. So for example, I'm gonna invite Novi, editor at gmail.com. Click invite. Once they accept, they're in, ready to co-create. You can manage billing and member settings from your dashboard. So here, you can add and manage your members. This is perfect for creators working with editors, small teams building content together, or anyone who's done with a can you check this real quick cycle. If collaboration is a key part of your creative workflow, this is the most efficient and streamlined way to manage it without the stress. If this sounds like something your team could use, like and share this video. Bye!